Welcome back to Goodfellas Garage, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm gonna give you a quick update on my 2011 Crown Victoria. It is almost done, so let's get started. If you have been watching the channel for a while, you guys know this car. I bought it months ago from Orlando Police Department, and I have done a lot of work to this car. There's a lot of videos on this channel with me, bringing this thing back to life. I even bought a parts car that I took interior parts off of it to complete this one. And it's almost done. I'm like 99.9% finished with it. It's a daily driver, so I don't really, care about it that much. This is the nice thing about Crown Victorias. This is the best daily driver you could possibly have because you don't feel sorry for it. You can just ding it, scratch it, whatever. And the police department did a pretty decent job scratching this thing up. So let me show you what I did in the last few weeks. The major thing was the paint correction. I did it myself. I have the Rupus Bigfoot 3 orbital buffer, whatever. So I did the 2-stage paint correction on it. I'm sorry I didn't videotape that because I was short on time, but I did the whole car. It took a couple days. It was a pain in the butt. And then, of course, obviously before that, I did the clay bar, yada, 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 all that stuff. And then I ceramic coated the whole car. So I think it looks pretty good for what it is. The paint has been brought back to life. There's still obviously some deeper scratches that you can't get rid of, but that's the beauty of this car. I don't really care. I think it looks pretty good. The other thing that I did a few days ago is I upgraded the wheels, quote unquote. Actually, I wanted to restore the original Steelies that were on the car, and they wanted $100 per wheel to like powder coat, whatever. Brand new Steelies from Ford are $60. Yeah, $60 a wheel. Like, I'm gonna buy new wheels. So I bought new 17-inch Steelies, and I put some Michelins on it. I put some Michelin's Pilot Sport AS3 Plus. They're like high performance tires or whatnot. And I got these new center caps. And I'm not sure. I'm not quite sure about this look. I don't know. What do you guys think? So I'll put up some pictures of the car, like the side profile. I kind of like the hubcaps. I don't know. But the problem with the hubcaps is that they have these teeth on them, and once you install them, and if they stay on the car for a little bit, they start scratching the wheel. And these are cheap wheels. They're obviously $60 a piece. So the paint on here is not the highest quality. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. What I should do. If I should put the hubcaps back and just live with that, or just keep it like that. I don't know. It kind of looks a little weird with the Steelies exposed. I don't know. I'm not sure if I quite like that. Okay. And then the other thing that I did is it's brand new tint. All of the old crappy cheap police tint has been removed, and I retinted the car. And I know some of you might think I'm crazy. This is actually an $800 tint job. Yes, $800 tint job. I know people are gonna be like, you crazy, you're insane. But this is the best film on the market. And it's Spectra PhotoSync. I'm not associated with them. I'm not promoting them. I'm not, I don't get a dime out of it. I think it's the best film on the planet. I did my Mustang a few weeks ago. Not a few weeks ago, a few months ago. And it made a dramatic difference in temperatures inside. And this is not ceramic. This is not like one of those whatever. This is the most expensive film on the market, and it truly makes a difference. It really, really does, especially if you live in the southern states, Texas, Florida, etc., etc. It really, really makes a difference. The temperatures in the car are at least 20-30 degrees cooler than they are with regular tint. You gotta do the windshield. Okay, you have to tint the windshield for it to be effective. And this is legal. The darkest that they have is 30%. So 30% is legal in Florida. So on the sides and the back, it's 30%. And the windshield is 55. So it's not that dark at all inside the car, but you really feel a difference in temperature. You put your hand on the door where you sit inside, you don't feel the heat from the sun. It's a phenomenal film. And like I said, I'm not associated with them, but if you're looking for tint that is amazing, this is the tint. Okay. And what else did we do? So we have new tires, new wheels. I also upgraded. I put all new tire pressure sensors because I know with my luck, you install new tires, the next day the tire pressure sensor is going to go bad. So they're like $50 a piece, no big deal. The cheapest thing was the wheels. The wheels were cheaper. The wheel, yeah, a little bit more expensive than the tire pressure sensor, but $60 a wheel. I mean, it's crazy. This is happening because Typically with Ford, when parts are really this cheap, they know that's like the last stock. They're trying to get rid of it, so you're not gonna see them anymore. Like whatever stock they have, they're gonna get rid of, and that's it. So I did that, and the only thing that I have left is I have two things left. I gotta do the steering wheel. There's a little bit of wear on the steering wheel, so I gotta replace that, but that's gonna be in the future. It's not an emergency. And I have to replace the carpet. I don't like this vinyl. I mean, it's cool. If you spill something, it's easy to clean, etc., etc. But the problem is that this car is pretty noisy inside, and I think the carpeting will absorb some of that noise. And the tires helped. The Michelins helped a lot with the road noise, because the tires that were here were the people like to call them the police tires. The Goodyears, the Eagle RSAs or whatever, they're very, very noisy. The Michelins are much quieter, much better ride with Michelins. But I think the carpeting will help with that. I actually found a company, an aftermarket company that does like plush carpeting and whatnot. So it's like a couple $100. So at some point in the future, I'll order that, and we'll replace that and see if it actually gets quieter. But other than that, the car is all done. We fixed everything we could fix in this car. We did the paint correction, new wheels and tires, new tire pressure sensors. All the fluids have been changed in this thing, a lot of new lights, and etc., etc. So I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.